Common expressions. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Not my cup of tea, meaning not interested. Not in my books, meaning disagree. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Okay by me or fine by me, meaning it's fine. Give me a break, meaning leave me alone. Make your mind up or make up your mind, meaning to decide. It's on me, meaning I pay for it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please like this video. Go Dutch, meaning share the cost of a meal. Beats me, meaning I have no idea. Catch up, meaning see you later. Dead tired, meaning exhausted. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to subscribe for daily contents and lessons. If you like this lesson, please like this video. You can also watch my prior contents from these links. I'm Steve and I will see you tomorrow.